Hey, you guys, it's Double Moms, and in today's episode, we're going to take a look at ShiftPixy Inc., ticker symbol PIXY, a meme stock trend play. But before we begin, if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and set notifications on so you don't miss any episodes, and like and share. Also, let me begin by saying, folks, we are not financial or stock advisors, and we are not giving stock or financial advice. This episode is for entertainment purposes only. Hey, always do your own due diligence. Now, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description, and we pick a lot of bangers a lot of times, folks. We called out TPHS pre-market today, March 18th, 2024, before its parabolic run up 343%. We also called out PIXY, the stock we're featuring in this video today, March 18th, before it ran up 133%. STI was also called out in our private Discord today, March 18th, before it ran up 108%. And finally, we called out OTRK today, March 18th, and it ran up 105%. We are just made different, and the early bird gets the cash. And by the way, folks, we've also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we read candlestick patterns, how we read key levels, how we use critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what works for us. So let's get right into it with ShiftPixy Inc., ticker symbol PIXY, which is located in Miami, Florida. It is a publicly traded NASDAQ staffing and employment services company with a $41.83 million market cap and 31 employees. ShiftPixy Inc., together with its subsidiaries, provides staffing solutions in the United States. It offers employment administrative services such as payroll processing, human resources consulting, and an information systems platform and workers' compensation administration and coverage. It primarily services, however, the restaurant and hospitality service industries. The company was established in 2015. Now let's take a look at PIXY's most recent news. PIXY has been trending quite a lot on social media sites. PIXY's share price has jumped pretty sharply this week in a no-news environment. According to Invest News, investors appear to be piling on, and there are signs that a meme stock trend is coming back as traders bet on rate cuts by the Federal Reserve. Now, the price action on PIXY stock was pushed upward today, 133%, and the price can keep moving upward tomorrow if more volume or a news catalyst comes in. Undoubtedly, the meme stock surge trend surrounding PIXY and other similar stocks like it in recent weeks can move the price action upward for PIXY. A continuation in price increase is possible. We will be keeping an eye on it. Now, as we said earlier, folks, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. And we pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. We are just made different. This is what we do, and the early bird gets the cash. And by the way, as I mentioned, we've also included a link to our incredible membership website program, which also includes all of our wonderful stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we determine our entry and our exit points on trades, how we read candlestick patterns, how we read key levels, how we use those critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees, folks, that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what's been working for us. In conclusion, folks, ShiftPixy Inc., PIXY, is a publicly traded NASDAQ company in the staffing and employment services sector. PIXY is a company we will be watching. With the right increase in volume, we believe it could be conducive for momentum parabolic day trading. Will PIXY run parabolic? It will need volume. But who knows for sure? Of course, we would need to see continued volume before we actually day trade this stock. This is not advice, folks. We are not professionals. It is just my opinion. And I will have PIXY on my watch list. PIXY. It's Double Moms, and I will see all of you again on the flip side.